healthy and have a long life, eat just a little of everything with relish. Go to bed early, get up early, and then go out for a walk. We live each day with serenity and we enjoy the journey. To keep healthy and have a long life, we get on well with all of our friends. Spring, summer, fall, winter. We happily enjoy all the seasons. The secret is to not get distracted by how old the fingers are. From the fingers to the head and back once again. If you keep moving with your fingers working, 100 years will come to you. Everything can be taken from a man, but one thing, the last of the human freedoms, to choose one's attitude in any given set of circumstances, to choose one's own way. There is tension between what is good for someone and what they want to do. This is because people, especially older people, like to do things as they have always done them. The problem is that when the brain develops ingrained habits, it doesn't need to think anymore. Things get done quickly and efficiently on automatic pilot, often in a very advantageous way. This creates a tendency to stick to routines, and only way of breaking these is to confront the brain with new information. He who has a why to live for can bear with almost anyhow. A donkey that is tied to a post by a rope will keep walking around the post in an attempt to free itself, only to become more immobilized and attached to the post. The same thing applies to people with obsessive thinking who become more trapped in their own suffering when they try to escape from their fears and discomfort. Hello, solitude. How are you today? Come, sit with me, and I will care for you. If you are angry and want to fight, think about it for 3 days before coming to blows. After 3 days, the intense desire to fight will pass on its own. Never stop learning. You may grow old and trembling in your anatomies. You may lie awake at night listening to the disorder of your veins. You may miss your only love. You may see the world about you devastated by evil lunatics, or know your honor trampled in the sewers of baser minds. There is only one thing for it then, to learn. Learn why the world was wags, and what wags it. That is the only thing which the mind can never exhaust, never alienate, never be tortured by, never fear or distrust, and never dream of regretting. In Okinawa's religious practice, women are considered spiritually superior to men, whereas the opposite is true of traditional Shintoism in the rest of Japan. Yuta are women chosen as mediums by their communities to make contact with the spirit realm through traditional rites. In spring, breathe Zu for clear eyes, and so wood can aid your liver. In summer, reach for He so that heart and fire can be at peace. In fall, breathe Zai to stabilize and gather metal, keeping the lungs moist. For the kidneys, next, breathe Shui and see your air waters calm. The triple heaters needs your Zai to expel all heat and troubles. In all 4 seasons, take deep breaths so your spleen can process food. And Of course, avoid exhaling noisily. Don't let even your own ears hear you. The practice is most excellent and will help preserve your divine elixir. Nana Korobi Ya Oki. Fall 7 times, rise 8. God, give us grace to accept with serenity the things that cannot be changed, courage to change the things which should be changed, and the wisdom to distinguish the one from the other. Buddhism Mantra Om Mani Padme Hum. Om is the generosity that purifies the ego. Ma is the ethics that purifies jealousy. Ni is the patience that purifies passion and desire. Pad is the precision that purifies bias. Me is the surrender that purifies greed, and Hum is the wisdom that purifies hatred. The things we love are like the leaves of a tree. They can fall at any moment with a gust of a wind. The changes in the world around us are not accidental, but rather form part of the essence of the universe. In the here and now, the only thing in my life is your life. Here, now. Happiness is always determined by your heart. Keep going. Don't change your path. We meet randomness, mess, adventures, uncertainty, self-discovery, hear traumatic episodes, all these things that make life worth living. It's not what happens to you, but how you react that matters. The grand essentials to happiness in this life are something to do, something to love, and something to hope for.